If your Google business profile is getting view but no call, no message, and no leads, then you're not alone, you're definitely doing something wrong. In this video, I'll show you exactly why this happened and how to fix it to start getting real leads from Google. Most local businesses think views equal success, but there's myth. Because view don't pay bill, leads to. So if your GMB is getting traffic but not converting, this video will fix that. Your profile is getting view but from the wrong people. This happens when you use broad keywords. Your business category is not optimized, your services are unclear, so people land on your profile but they are not ready to buy. Use intent-based keyword like best dentist near me or emergency plumber in your city. Not just dentist or plumber, your profile looks basic. No strong business description, service listed, or proper category, so Google show you but customer didn't trust you. Make your profile look like a professional landing page. Add all services, use clear description, add keyword naturally. People don't contact businesses they don't trust. If your profile has few or no review, no recent activities, or low rating, then users just scroll past you. Get consistent review reply to every review, add real customer experience. Blurry image, no video, random upload that kill your conversion. Upload before and after image, team photo and work video, make your business look real and active. Most businesses forget this, you're getting view but not telling people what to do next. Use clear CTAs like call now, book appointment, message us today. Guide the users. Start posting regularly on your GMB with offers, update and tips. This increases both visibility and conversion. If your GMB is getting view but not leads, now you know exactly why and more importantly how to fix it. If you want help optimizing your Google business profile and turning it into a lead machine, DM me or check the link in description. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more local SEO tips.